In this video, we will see how to represent the same bit pattern which we saw in the last video, but this time we'll be using Polar NRZ L. Now this L stands for level. Keep in mind that Polar NRZ is of two types. In this video, we are seeing Polar NRZ level, and in the next video, we will see Polar NRZ inverted. Okay, so now the rule for NRZ L is if 1 represents positive voltage, then 0 will represent negative voltage. If 1 represents negative voltage, then 0 will represent positive voltage. Here I am assuming 1 to represent positive voltage and 0 to represent negative voltage. So let's see. Now remember, this is a polar technique, so it will make use of both halves of my time axis. So when it finds a 1, it will be in the top half of the time axis, and when it finds a 0, it will be on the bottom half of the time axis. So 1 represents a positive voltage, and this is my positive voltage. Once it finds a 0, it will represent a negative voltage, so it will go down and represent a negative voltage. Again, it finds a 1, so it comes back up, represents a positive voltage, finds a 1, so it remains to be a positive voltage. Once it finds a 0 again, it goes down to represent a negative voltage. A 1 means a positive voltage, so it goes back up. A 0 means a negative voltage, so it goes back down. Again, it finds a 0, so it stays down. And that this is the signal equivalent of the given bit pattern using Polar NRZ L. I hope this helps. Thank you.